Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to change language on Steam, and now let's dive right in. Now to change a language on Steam guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen you can see your account name available for us on the Steam app. After you have logged in, click on your account name at the top right corner of your screen on the Steam app, and when this menu appears, click on the account details, and this kind of panel will appear where you will be able to find the language preferences. Click on the language preferences, and over here guys you will be able to view all of your language preferences, like your primary language and a secondary language, as well as some additional game content languages over here. And that being said guys, in order to change a primary language on Steam, choose the language whichever you like over here, or whichever you are comfortable with. And that being done, and also go to the secondary language if you want. You can see here there are the options available for us over here, and thus you need to just click them if you like these to be translated on additional game content languages or on secondary languages. And with that being done, scroll down and click on the save button over here, and then your language will be changed on the Steam app. And there it is how to change the language on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.